Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into some deals going on at Lowe's for Black Friday week, month, whatever you want to call it, and the holidays coming up. So they have all these deals going on, and today we're going to specifically look at the Dewalt deals, and more specifically their power tools and some of their bit sets. That's usually the main things that go on sale, especially for Dewalt. You don't see a lot of their hand tools as far as, actual tool sets and stuff. Those aren't as common as some of your other brands like Cobalt and Craftsman and stuff like that. Dewalt hand tools themselves like that just aren't as common there. So we're going to be looking at a lot of their power tools or cordless tools, both 12 volt and 20 volt on sale. And then we're going to be looking at some of those bit sets, which are always nice just to pick up for whether you're giving it to a family member or you just need some more bits, because if you use your drill quite a bit, you run through some bits. So it's always good to pick them up when they're on sale. So we're going to be looking at those, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I'll kind of talk my way through this. I did go to the store, get a little bit better look at them. So once again, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you plan on picking up any of the Dewalt lineup. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Okay, so first up, we're looking at the 20 volt half-inch drill driver for $100. This is the brushless one, and it is the kit that contains a bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. So a pretty decent deal. And this is exactly what I got a couple years ago when I got my drill, except it was the hammer drill. So keep in mind, this is not the hammer drill. Next up, we're looking at the 12 volt reciprocating saw. This is for $100. This is a really nice little tool. If I had the 12 volt lineup, I would probably purchase it. So $100, it is brushless, but it is the tool only, so keep that in mind. There's no battery included with this one. Next up, we see the 12 volt 3/8 drill driver, and that is $100 as well. It is brushless, and once again contains the bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. Then we have the 12 volt 3/8 impact driver for $100. Once again, brushless with the bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. So all of these seem like pretty good deals to me. And then next up, I wouldn't really use anything like this, but if you're someone that uses cordless screwdrivers, they do have one of those for $75. It is an 8 volt. The 20 volt drill driver and impact driver set for $150. These are both brushless, and once again contain the bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. So that's kind of like their holiday special. And last up, we are looking at a couple of $10 sets. The first one being a 30-piece bit set, and then the next one, same price, being a 27-piece, but this one does include drill bits. Alrighty, so that's basically it as far as the Dewalt products that were on sale, at least at this time. Maybe as we get closer to the holidays or Christmas, maybe these are just specifically for Black Friday events, even though you will see a lot of these deals during the holidays, but maybe we will see more as well. But I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys are interested, I will link a couple of toolkits down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, once again, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you picked any of these up or plan on picking them up. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.